This is Brian here, Brian Gibson, with an explanation of your WebTeam entry, how you can send us information for your website, images and text to get your website underway. So you first of all log into your WebTeam at stepintodigitalmarketing.com. You would already have the link for that, and let's log in. And once you're logged in, your name should appear up here. You can log out down there where it says sign out. Welcome Brian, that's me, and this is my test empty account so that I can show you around. So on the left here you've got your dashboard, the files, which we're going to cover more extensively, any websites, projects, SEO, anything else that we have going on, your invoices, any quotes and jobs, a calendar, and tickets is where you will communicate to us. And let's have a look at these. So first of all, let's have a look at the files, which is the most important part of this. So we go into files. You want to send us, for myself and my team, some text, some images, some information for your website. So here are your customer files. Now the reason we use this is so that any of my team can actually look at this and we can download it, and you can send large files which you cannot through an email. And let's face it, through an email it's very difficult. If we have lots of clients, we could be working on 20-30 projects a week to actually find you, and sometimes of course the files, and quite often they go into spam, and clients call me and say, hey Brian, did you get my image to go on my page 1? No, it went into spam. Sorry. So let's use this, and it's really simple. First of all, we have create a new bucket. A bucket is really like a file system, so we could have a bucket, for example, your homepage. So let's call it homepage. The customer, that's myself here. It's not related to any job. We don't really need to bother about those, so let's just save the bucket. We can have a bucket description up here, and images for homepage, and you can add anything out that you want. So let's save the bucket. So we now have a bucket called homepage, which is pretty cool. So let's go back and let's make another bucket, and let's call this bucket contact us page. And so I'm the same customer. I'm going to save the bucket and put that there as well. Okay, perfect. So let's go back here. So now we have two buckets. We have the contact us page and the home page, and it's real simple. We have a description on that, and obviously not on that. So let's put something in the home page. I want to go to my home page and I want to add a new file. All you do is click add a new file, and you can upload a file or drag and drop it. I want to put in, I don't know, let's put in that there. Save the file, and that's done. There's the quick guide, it's already in, it's done. So let's go back. So now in the bucket of the home page I have the Quip Guide PDF, and we can open it, and at our end we have a list, and this just goes down, down, down. Here on the list I want to download them all, which we can do. I want to add a new file. We can send you a new file back, and you can send us a new file, and that's it. It's really, really that simple. On your dashboard, when you have an invoice, it will appear here. The jobs that we might do, because there might be several jobs associated with your project. It might be a job for one website or several websites. It might be a landing page, it might be SEO, it might be that we're doing video for you, and tickets. Now tickets is where we would like you to communicate with us if you want to send an email. We use a ticket system because it means that myself and my staff can pick up the ticket, and guess what, I'm not available 100% of all the time, so my staff can pick up the tickets as well. And we want to make a new ticket. We're going to add a new ticket here. It's really, a ticket is simply a email. That's it. So this is your details on here. We want to write in here, hi there, I would like you to, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stick them in there. That's it. Sign it off if you want to. not important because we do know you. Submit the message, or if you want to add a file to this, by the way, you can add an attachment to this if you want to add a file to it. That's it. Submit the message, and oh, some required fields are missing. So what is that? It looks like a subject here in red. So you put in there, I don't know, something like that, and submit it. That's it. Done. The ticket's now sent, it goes into our queue, then we can pick up the ticket and we can respond back here. And the great thing about that is it will have a record of all your tickets and our responses to your tickets. So we have a digital paper trail, if you like, and we can always keep notes on everything that's going on. So thank you for your time. A very short video. The ticket's just arrived. There we go, in my email. There's your ticket. It's arrived in my email so that we can respond to that. It was as quick as that. So we have a note in our email. We also get an SMS message at our end, and we can respond to you as quick as we can. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.